actually so excited to use this. I can't believe it. I actually feel a bit emotional, I'm not gonna lie to you. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? I think, oh dear. Oh my god. Ah! I've just stabbed the pig. I've just stabbed the pig with my brush. Hi there and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit exciting. I am really excited to film this video. If you watch YouTube, I'm sure you will know that Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star came out with a collaboration palette. Now I've been a big fan of Shane Dawson for literally years. He does follow me on Twitter and he tweeted me once. I'm going to put it on here as you can see. So we're basically best friends. So I literally have watched Shane for like 8 years, something crazy like that. Like he was like the first person that I ever watched on YouTube. So when he came out with this palette, I knew I wanted it. I tried so hard to get it online, but I didn't get it. So I was pretty good because I really want to film a video with it as well. And then in my hometown, they opened a Morphe store and they posted on Facebook, it is confirmed, we will be getting the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star palette. So I walked my little self to the Morphe store and I went and bought it, didn't I? The girl said that Newcastle Morphe store was the only place that it wasn't sold out in the whole world, which I thought was crazy. I did want to get Shane Gloss in as well, the lip gloss, but that was long gone. The only thing they had left was the mini Controversy and the Conspiracy Palette. So, you know, I got the Conspiracy Palette. And I thought I would just do a little review for you guys because I know that no one else has done this on YouTube. Not a single other person has done this. So here it is in the box. I love the packaging. If you watched the documentary, you will know that a lot went into the packaging, so it just comes out like this. Oh my god, it's a good quality palette. So here she is. I didn't realise that there was pink on here in the documentary, but it is on there. And you open it and it just looks like this. The reason I decided to get this was because it is so different to anything that I have in my collection. I have a lot of oranges, burgundies type thing, and although this sort of does have those things, it also has other things, and I thought it would be quite good to branch out. Excited! Right, so what I've decided to do for this video is on one eye do like a more neutral look, and then on the other eye do like a more out there look, if I can do that, because I'm not a makeup artist. Okay, also my sister does have a Jeffree Star mirror and I can't find it anywhere, and I really want to go, welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? But I can't find the mirror, so that was just me channeling my inner Jeffree. I have no plans for what I'm going to do in this video. Right, so I've got this fluffy brush and I'm just going to start doing a more neutral look and what I would wear on a normal day. Okay, so I'm gonna go in the shade Dyed Root Beer. Oh, I'm actually so excited to use this, I can't believe it. I actually feel a bit emotional, I'm not gonna lie to you. So that is the shade Dyed Root Beer and I've just put this in the crease. Now this is what I'd do just on a normal day. That is a good quality, like that is blended so nicely. So I've got like a more flat brush here. And I'm just going to try and put that on my lid and sort of see what happens. I am literally just sort of playing about here like, oh my god, that is so neon. Oh my god. Here's me, more natural look. Oh my god, that is unlike any orange that I've used. Right, so that is cheese dust. Now, I thought this was called Cheeto dust, right? I think that's what they said it was called in the documentary. So when I got this and it said cheese dust, I was like, have I bought a fake, but then I googled it and it's actually called Cheese Dust. I presume it's something to do with copywriting. Now I am going to take ranch. You heard me. Ranch. Oh, that is, I have literally tapped that. The lightest possible and so much payoff has come out of it. Oh my god, that is unbelievable. Right, so, oh my god. Ah! I've just stabbed the pig. I've just stabbed the pig with my brush. Oh my god, I'm good. Oh god. No, I've never ever been able to find a shade that looks like that in my inner corner. That looks absolutely unreal. I'm gonna use Flaming Hot. I'm gonna put it on my lid. Like in the middle of my lid. She is pigmented as well, bloody hell. I think I might use spiraling in my outer, what's it called? The beginning. So spiraling's this colour. I don't know about using a shimmery colour for my, whatever this pot. I have just dinted my rides here. So annoying. Yeah, I should have just left it. Oh my god, I'm going back in with this fluffy brush to sort of blend it all out because I've made it worse. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take, I think, Cheese Dust and Diet Root Beer, and I always like do this and like double dip into shades and just bring it under my eye. So I'm finished this eye. I'm just gonna go off camera and do eyeliner and lashes and stuff, and then I'll come and show you like the final product. Okay, so I'm waiting for my eyelash glue to dry, but I just thought I'd let you know that my boyfriend has a song out on Spotify, iTunes, you know, all streaming platforms. It's called Stay Low. It's like an instrumental track. That's not gonna work. I'll attach a little photo, but if you just type in Jack Griffith to find it. I'll actually link it below if you want to listen to it. It's really good. I'll play a little section of it. I really like it. Okay, so this is the finished, more casual, wearable eye that I've done. I'll come a bit closer so you can see. I am not a makeup artist, okay? So don't be thinking, don't be judging me. Right, so, and I also really need my eyebrows done. This is so up close and personal. That is the finished, more grungy, like casual eye look that I would probably wear more than whatever I'm about to create on this eye. Right, so on the next eye, I'm gonna use the shade Trisha. Right, listen to me. I love Trisha Paytas. And straight away, I'm just gonna pack it on my lid. Oh, she has had a bit of fallout there, but that is so pigmented. I think, oh dear, like that. Oh my god, I love this. I'm gonna have to start wearing this in normal life because I absolutely love the way that looks. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use this big fluffy brush and sort of blend it out, like blend it up towards my brow bone. Okay, so I've blended that well and truly into my eye. Now I'm going to take the shade Not a Fact and put that in the crease. Oh my god, I look like I've been punched. I sort of love this though. This looks so good. I'm going to take again Ranch because it is the white colour in the palette, and put that on my brow bone and That is a good brow bone colour. Oh my god. I really don't know what to do next. This is so exciting. I never ever play with makeup like this because I always have the same kind of colours, and this is just like so out there for me. What I'm gonna do next is take the shade Conspiracy, which is this green sort of khaki shimmery colour, and put that underneath my eye. Oh, it's in my eye. That does not feel good. To be honest, I don't think it looks that great. So I'm gonna put something else there. Oh, no, changed my mind. I'm gonna use Illuminar Tea. Illuminar, what's the tea? And put that under my eye. I quite like that. And also it's gone in my eyes. So is that a good thing or a bad thing? I know exactly what it needs. I'm gonna take food videos. Look at the shade of that. That is like the neonest neon of neons, and I'm gonna put that like in the middle of my lid. This look is so mismatched. I am literally just, I am really impressed with how that is literally making like a cut crease look, but it is on top of the other shades. Okay, so I think this is the finished thing. I need to clean it up a little bit, but I'm gonna go off camera again and put the lashes on, and then I'll show you up and close. It's very mismatched. It is not what I would usually wear on my eyes, but I quite like it. It's a bit different. So I'm gonna go and clean this up and put my lashes on, and I will come back to you and show you close up. Okay, so this is the finished, more out there eye using the pinks and the yellows and stuff. I'll show you a little close up. So that is it. I hope you can see it well. I like this a lot. I don't think I would wear this out. I don't know if it's my vibe. I don't like the colour underneath. I think it's a little bit mismatched, but I sort of didn't know what I was planning to do, and I sort of just went with the flow, you know. So yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you, I really like this palette. Zoom out. Okay, so my overall okay, so my overall thoughts on the Conspiracy palette is that I like it. I like it. It's nothing like I've got in my collection. It is a little bit different in a good way. It can maybe sort of inspire me to do more creative looks, because I usually tend to stay with the same colours, but yeah, I absolutely love it. I'm so glad I got it. I'm so glad I was literally one of the last people to get one, and yeah, overall review is that I like it. So if you are looking to buy this in the restock and you think you would use it, I would definitely recommend that you do get it, because like I say, I just absolutely love it. The shades are really different, which I think is good. Very different to what I usually wear. I usually wear like the same things over and over again, and I like the difference in it. She's cute. She's a bit chunky. We like her. Okay, so that is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know if you like the looks and maybe what you would have done differently. I'm not a makeup artist, so they're not perfect, but I think it is good that you can sort of see what like the average person would do with the palette in both different styles. And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm really trying to grow my channel to 1,000 subscribers before the end of this year. I am reasonably close, but I need a little bit of a push to get there. So if you aren't subscribed already and you have enjoyed this video and you would like to see more from me, please do subscribe. I try to upload at least 3 times a week. So yeah, hopefully we'll see you very soon, and I hope you've had a nice day and enjoyed this video. So see you later. Bye.